Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best K Weld Spot Welder is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone serious about battery pack building or intricate metalwork, offering a blend of precision, power, and user-friendliness that sets it apart in a crowded market. This device isn't just another gadget, it's a gateway to professional-grade results, enabling you to create robust and reliable connections with ease, whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or just starting out. Its innovative design and thoughtful features are engineered to simplify complex tasks, making it an indispensable asset for your workshop. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN 160 amp Synergic Control Stick Welder. Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN Stick Welder, designed for effortless operation. Its intelligent LED screen provides clear, accurate data, making it easy to read even with your helmet on. It performs exceptionally well with various welding rods and is perfect for a wide range of applications, from outdoor repairs to home DIY projects. Experience precise welding with its digital control system. This machine automatically matches current and voltage based on your selected electrode size, making it ideal for beginners. Professionals will appreciate the ability to manually adjust the current for customized results. Advanced MCU and IGBT inverter technology ensure stable and consistent arcing. Take your welding anywhere with this incredibly lightweight machine, weighing just 5.84 pounds. It comes with a handle and a shoulder strap for ultimate portability, making it easy to transport and store. This versatile welder offers both stick and lift TIG modes. Enjoy features like adjustable hot start and arc force for smooth welding and an automatic anti-stick function to prevent electrode sticking. You can also fine-tune the arc force and hot start current for optimal performance on various metal materials. Rest assured with a welder that meets TV and ANSI standards, backed by a 2-year quality support. It's built with comprehensive safety features, including protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheating, ensuring your safety during operation. What we like. This welder features intelligent Synergic control for easy operation, making it great for beginners. Its portable and lightweight design is perfect for on-the-go repairs. If you're looking for a versatile machine for outdoor maintenance, garage work, or home DIY projects, this is a solid choice. What people say. The K Weld Spot Welder is a game-changer for battery pack building, offering precise control and consistent welds. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it accessible even for beginners, while the adjustable settings cater to various battery types and thicknesses. The machine's efficient cooling system ensures reliable performance during extended use, preventing overheating and maintaining weld quality. Number 4. TBVECHI 28 kHz Handheld Ultrasonic Spot Welder. Discover the TBVECHI Handheld Ultrasonic Spot Welder, designed for efficient plastic welding. This portable machine is perfect for various plastic materials like ABS, PP, and PE. It converts high-frequency electronic signals into mechanical vibrations. These vibrations are then transferred through the welding mold to melt and fuse plastic components. Experience a novel portable structure that ensures quick and convenient operation. Its hand grip design makes it flexible, practical, and simple to use. Benefit from an automatic tracking system that eliminates manual frequency tuning. The LCD display provides clear readings for time, overload, and frequency. With strong power up to 700 W, it handles continuous or pulse work effectively. It's ideal for materials with melting points between 1 to 15 millimeters. Built with an all-steel shell and aluminum heat dissipation, it's designed for longevity. This welder is perfect for spot welding, riveting, marking, and more. What we like. This ultrasonic spot welder is designed for plastic materials like ABS, PP, and PE. Its portable, handheld design and automatic frequency tracking make it incredibly convenient for quick assembly and repairs. If you work with plastics and need to rivet, mark, or seal components, this tool offers a unique and efficient solution. What people say. It works very good. It works very good. Number 3. Geevorks 10-gear Spot Welder. Experience the robust power of this welding tool, reaching up to 5,000 W. It's designed to significantly boost your work efficiency. Effortlessly adjust the output power from 0-800A with the 10-level knob. Fine-tune your welding intensity for perfect results every time. This device is expertly crafted for welding 18,650 lithium batteries. It's also perfect for joining nickel strips up to 0.15 mm thick. Built with a high-quality ABS shell and featuring anodizing technology, it offers durability and safety. The included welding pen ensures excellent conductivity. Despite its high power, this welding kit is remarkably compact and lightweight. It's incredibly easy to carry and move around your workspace. What we like. With a powerful 5000 W output and 10-gear power adjustment, this spot welder is built for efficiency. It's specifically designed for welding 18,650 batteries and nickel strips up to 0.2 mm. If you're a DIY enthusiast or hobbyist focused on battery packs or small metal sheet welding, its compact size and robust power make it ideal. What people say. Very powerful unit. It came charged right out of the box and worked right away. The foot pedal helps because it allows you to position the electrodes on the workpiece with full contact. Once satisfied, you can depress the pedal and weld. I tried the different settings and the spot welds are solid. Number 2. LICHIFIT HB7EB Professional Handheld Spot Welding Pen. Experience effortless control with its ergonomic handle, designed for comfortable one-handed use. Its thoughtful design makes operation incredibly convenient. Keep cool under pressure. This tool features multiple cooling holes to effectively manage temperature during extended use, ensuring optimal performance. Featuring an anti-slip and anti-oxidation plug, it offers a quick and secure connection. It's also designed for easy carrying and storage. Achieve precision with an adjustable spot welding distance, ranging from 2 mm to 7 mm. This flexibility allows you to tailor it to your specific project needs. It's capable of welding various alloys like nickel, nickel-plated steel, and nickel-plated iron. The maximum welding thickness for general alloys is 0.2 mm, and up to 0.35 mm for nickel or nickel-plated steel. This device is ideal for a range of metal alloys. However, please note that it is not suitable for welding metals such as copper and aluminum. What we like. This professional spot welding pen offers an ergonomic design for comfortable one-handed operation. It features adjustable spot welding distance and can handle welding thicknesses up to 0.35 mm for specific alloys. If you need a precise and easy-to-handle tool to complement your existing spot welding machine for detailed work on nickel or nickel-plated steel, this pen is a great accessory. What people say. Better welds, doesn't get nearly as warm either. Was exactly what I needed and working fantastic. Easy to use and item as described. Number 1. Jewelry Spot Welder 110V60HC. Effortlessly weld various materials including gold, titanium, and alloys. It also features an orthodontic mode, offering professional flexibility for all your projects. Built with a robust cast iron and plastic body, this machine is designed to resist rust, scratches, and deformation. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come. For your safety, it automatically switches to ortho mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. It also includes protective covers and intelligent protections against voltage, current, and temperature issues. Operating this device is straightforward. Simply select your desired mode, and it automatically adjusts the current and voltage. A clear manual is included to help you get started quickly. Perfect for welding pure gold, cobalt chrome alloys, and titanium. It's also ideal for hardware, jewelry repair, and DIY jewelry creation. What we like. This automatic CNC spot welder offers exceptional 5-in-1 versatility, capable of welding various metals including gold, titanium, and alloys, with specialized modes for orthodontics and jewelry. Its computer numerical control ensures precise and consistent welds, with built-in safety features. If you're involved in jewelry making, repair, or intricate metalwork requiring high precision and material flexibility, this machine is designed for you. What people say. The K Weld Spot Welder is not good for jewelry welding and will damage gold and silver. This product is not suitable for delicate tasks like jewelry repair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.